Welcome. The following video will talk about how to find and select different materials alternatives. OneClick has a fairly large database of material and processes available to every user. Values can come from global databases such as EcoInvent or OneClick LCA calculated averages. Specific values come in the form of environmental product declarations or EPDs. EPDs are usually submitted by different manufacturers to provide precise, externally verified data, often with lower environmental impact than the global or average data points. At first glance, selecting a single material from the extensive database can appear overwhelming, but it is far from difficult. The go-to option is to go directly to the drop-down menu and search within a category for the required material. For this, it is preferable to type down a keyword, such as polypropylene or sand. In the case of sand, we're looking for a fill material, so we should go to sand, soil, and gravel category. From here, we'll first see a list of generic data. This is calculated by OneClick LCA using defined localization in project parameters. We can tell which type of data point is by the label at the end, if it says OneClick, specific manufacturer, or a specific database. For any data point, the label will have first a flag, corresponding to the origin or localization of the material. If the data point is an average value, you will have the average symbol. After this, we have the material description, the source, for example, OneClick LCA, and a cloud symbol. The cloud symbol changes colors from red to light green to visually indicate the relative impact compared to similar materials. Red, a bigger impact, and light green, a lower impact. For some materials in the list, we might encounter a small cloud-like symbol at the end. This means that EPD for the material is out of date, as EPDs have a validity of up to 5 years. Users should avoid using expired data. Finally, we have a question mark at the end of the description, which brings up the datasheet for each data point. Upon opening it, we can access further material information, what are the measuring units, and the default values for transportation and disposal activities. If further information is required, users can access the complete EPD by clicking on the image. When looking for any materials, users would probably find several options. To select one over the other, it is recommended to go into each material datasheet and even to the specific EPDs. To narrow down the search, filter option is available. In groups such as material categories, country of origins, and data sources can be selected. Another option when looking for materials is to go to the material compass. To do this, well, at the project page, go to the Materials tab located at the top left corner of the webpage. Here, users can navigate through the whole OneClick database using a friendly, fluent interface. For example, if a geogrid material is required, users can quickly access all of the available data points.